Today, we bring you the production process of staples. Staples are vital in our daily life. It is suitable for engineering, home decoration, furniture manufacturing, packaging, leather, shoe crafts, and other industries. Our staples are made of high-quality filaments that work seamlessly with any pneumatic nail gun to hold fabric, wood, and insulation effortlessly. We take great pride in using only the highest quality galvanized wire for our staples. Our production process guarantees that each nail is coated with at least 40 km of galvanized material, which makes them highly corrosion resistant and resistant to rust. So, you can be sure that our nails are not only durable, but also long-lasting, providing a secure hold for your materials without the risk of corrosion or rust, but also long-lasting. If you are interested, please contact us. We are Tianjin Huazhen Fastener Co., Ltd. The main products of our company are drywall screw, chipboard screw, self-tapping screw, self-dealing screw, blend rivet, coil nail, common nail, concrete nail, plastic strip nail, ST nail, various special shaped nail, bolt, nut, washer, threaded rod, anchor, etc. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching.